This is Mrs. Benzel, your child's special education teacher. I'm going to give you step-by-step instructions on how to log into Google Classroom. Step 1. Open a tab on your browser. Step 2. Look at the upper right-hand corner by the square. You will see a circular icon with a letter or picture. Step 3. Click on the icon. Step 4. Click on Add Another Account. If you do not see this option, you will have to click on Manage Your Google Account. Step 5. When you add an account, you must use the student's Baldwin Park username and password that I provided for you in an email. Step 6. You will be prompted again to log in using the same username and password. Step 7. Go to Google Classroom. Click on the plus button and join class with the code that was emailed to you. Step 8. You will see your child's assignments that need to be completed. If you have any questions or if you're having difficulty, please don't hesitate to call me. Thank you.